birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish
Happy birthday and very happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Edsel! Happy birthday! Ayan, so wala man kami physically sa celebration mo. I hope that this virtual message will send across the things that I want to say to you on your special day. So, in a short span of time that I worked with you in Youth Agri Ligaw Organization, I saw how hardworking and how enthusiastic you are, especially kapag may talagang gusto kang gawin, especially sa mga activities. And I have seen your potential, and I hope that this characteristic of yours will still continue for the next years to come, dahil for sure, marami kang mararating sa buhay mo with this. Ayan, so for your special day, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday, at sana mag-enjoy ka for the rest of your life because you deserve everything. Ayan, so happy birthday, and sana nandyan kami, but for now, dito na lang sa birthday.
Hi, this is Kuya George A. Rabanal. Happy birthday sa iyo, Edsel Luna. I hope and I pray na patuloy kang maging masaya, maging masigla, and syempre, dalangin ko rin na mas lalo mong ilapit yung iyong personal na relationship sa Panginoon. I pray also na maging matagumpay ka sa kung anuman yung pangarap na inilagay niya sa iyong puso. God bless you and see you soon.
Hi, Edsel! This is your Ate Obelus, and I just want to greet you a very happy birthday! Ayan. Thank you so much for letting me greet you to your very special day. At gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo for hindi lang sa pagiging isang parte ng pamilyang Solebo, but also being one of my friends in real life. So, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day today. So, sana lagi mong tandaan na love ka ni Ate Obelus. Okay? Love you, bebe!
Hi Kuya Edsel, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, and I'm glad that you're one of my Pinoy Big Brother friends. Bye, God bless.
Hi Ed, happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na nga ba? Happy birthday nga pala. Sana tumagal pa yung friendship natin. Sana ay mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo, and sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. And syempre yung wish ko din is good health and maging successful ka, lalo na sa career mo, trabaho mo, sa pag-aaral mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Is wish ko is maging matagumpay ka. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you din sa pagiging mabait na kaibigan, magiging mabuting nilalang. Nilang gusto ko lang mag-greet sa'yo ng happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to, and sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo sa buhay. Yun lang, at happy birthday.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Wish ko sana stay safe ka and always smile para good vibes lang lagi sa face. Yay!
Happy birthday, Edsel Luna. More birthday to come. See you soon.
Kuya Edsel, happy birthday also. Thank you for always supporting me, and mag-ingat ka palagi, and dito lang ako sa bunso sa'yo. Thank you. Please full support.
Hello Kuya Ed, happy 21st birthday. Happy birthday sa pinaka-pogi kong kaibigan. Ang wish ko lang ngayong birthday mo is sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Kung ano yung simulan mo ngayon, continue mo. Andito lang ako, andito lang kami mga friends mo. Always nakasuporta sa'yo through ups and downs. Mag-iingat ka palagi, magkikita pa tayo ulit. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Edsel, and wish ko para sa iyo and good health and more blessing come true.
Hi Edsel, happy birthday! Another year older, another reason to celebrate the incredible person as you are. May this day be as brighter as your smile, as sweet as your spirit, and as magical as your presence in our lives. Here's to a year filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness your heart can hold. Enjoy every moment of your special day, Edsel. Once again, happy birthday and thank you so much for everything. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Edsel Luna! Wishing you a very happy birthday on your special day. Sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad mo and see you on the screen. I will support you there. Got you like 3 points kay Edsel dahil matakaw po siya sa quiz. Kidding. And good luck to your journey again. Happy birthday, Edsel Luna!
Happy birthday, Edsel Luna. Wish you all the best. Wish you a good health. God bless and take care always.
Joke lang, syempre. Hi Kuya Edsel, happy birthday. I miss you so much and best wishes for you. And stay healthy, cute, handsome, and mag-ingat ka palagi. I hope na sana magkita-kita tayo kapag hindi na rin hectic yung schedule. Enjoy your day. Mag-enjoy ka kasi birthday mo.
Hi Kuya Ed, happy birthday sa'yo. Might as well sabihin ko na rin yung first impression kasi actually yung nung night na sa Naga na nagsayaw tayo with everybody, it became one of my core memories na rin. And talaga pong kapansin-pansin ka among many people kasi you have this personality na very bubbly, ganon. Kung nakikita ko po sa inyo is parang na-feel ko na he's a kind guy, ganun po. And, yeah, I think that's right naman. And funny din, approachable, madaling pakisamahan, and isa ka po sa mga tao na pakiramdam ko po ay mababa po ang kalooban. So, if ganun naman po, ipagpatuloy niyo lang po. And I wish you all the best. And yun po, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and ituloy nyo lang po kung ano nakakapagpasaya sa inyo and kung ano po yung pakiramdam nyo na nakakatulong para mabuhay kayo. Yan na, happy birthday! God bless you!